Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, go into Calendar app. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. After that, you can add your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on Add More Fields. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Then click on Location section, type in wherever you wish to. Tap on Starting Hour and Ending One. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this gray switcher next to All Day. Then click on Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. You can also choose Custom and adjust it. I will go with 2 years. In order to save your changes, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. If you change your mind, you can always click on Repeat again and tap on Never. Now you can set up a reminder over here, minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 1 week before at 8 AM. Now click on the check mark. You can also click on second reminder and do exactly the same. Then click on this little icon next to alarm reminder to switch it on or off. Select account. I will go with family one. Click on allow in the pop-up and if you wish to, pick people from your contact list. Then you can also click on show me as. Click on busy or available. Take some notes and save your event by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, change whatever you wish to and click on the check mark to save your changes. In order to discard them though, click on this X instead and choose discard in the pop-up. If you wish to get rid of your event though, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner, choose delete, and confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!